What's up, guys? It's Timmy from YourPlace.com, and today we're going to talk about MetroTwit. Now, if I do say this name wrong, I am very sorry. So right here we have MetroTwit. Now, MetroTwit is a Twitter application for Windows. It's still in beta, so go ahead and give it some time. It's still in beta. I really do think there will be major updates with this. For one, I'm going to talk about in just a minute, which I don't like at all. It kind of gets annoying after a while, and there's pretty much only that one problem, and everything else looks fine. It looks great. It's a really nice, sleek application. It runs with the latest Microsoft Net 4.0 uh, uh, framework, so that's pretty nice. If you don't have that, it will install that for you. It's still in beta. It's a one-click installer. It's super easy, and it's pretty much nice. So once you download MetroTwit, uh, you'll get this little tiny icon right here on your desktop. That's if you click the little icon button or you ask it to. So the first time you click it, it doesn't open automatically. Now this is why I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and click it, and let's see if it actually works this time. Uh, I will have to click it, as you can see right now, and it doesn't open up the application. Now this does get annoying after a while because I have to keep clicking it to open it. Earlier I had to do it 3 times for it to work. So I hope that's gonna do a update later on, and I really do hope they do an update for that, so that won't be an issue no more. And that's only my main issue. And it says signing into Twitter. Gets a nice little loading screen here, and we're gonna wait for it to log in. And as you can see right here, it gives us our friends list, our at replies, and our direct messages. It gives us a nice blue theme, which I do like. It does match what I have rocking on my computer right now, as you can see, the Windows blue. So over here we have MetroTwit Beta. We have our friends list. We have a nice little interface. So once we hover over it, it gives a little box of what we are looking at. We have a at reply. We can reply to lockers, and we have a retweet and a direct message button, which is nice over the little name. Going on to the at replies are the same exact way, and the direct messages is the same way also. Um, so going over here to the bottom left corner, we have a add column button. Now this is allow you to add different columns to the application. We can search with Twitter, so if we want to add a new Twitter column on here, so say we want to add YouTube to our Twitter, here's the new column for YouTube. It will upload their Twitter. We can add another one if we wanted to. We can add your Apple Place. It will bring that up, as you can see right there. So it's a really nice, sleek application. You can add multiple ones. So we're going to go ahead and delete those, and you can see it gives us a nice little suck-in interface right there, and kind of a down angle. And you can actually move these over. Get that right there, and you can move these over and make these bigger. So let's say I want that there, not there, or we can have it how we want it. Going on, we have a list. Now list, nothing pops up. It says loading list. I don't see anything here, so I don't know what this is or what the list does. So if you guys know, go ahead and leave a comment down below. We have a refresh button, which refreshes. You can see right here in the top left corner, there's a little loading screen right here, which is really nice because it's out of the way. It's tucked away in the corner. You don't see it. You notice it once in a while once it's loading, but it's not in a way when you're tweeting or something source like that. Going on, we have the tweets here, so we can tweet something. Let's say I passed, even though I can't spell, my testing yesterday or today. And click tweet, and it'll tweet out the tweet right here. And I actually did pass my testing, so I know for a fact that I am graduating this year. Going on, we have the little tweet button right there. So instead of when we at reply, we can click the at reply button, which is just an A if you don't know that, and it gives us a list of who we are following. So we can at reply anyone here, or we can start typing their name, and you can see it pops up right there. YouTube, your Apple. I can see your Apple Place pops up right there, or Timmy Amon, what pops up right there. And you can just hit the space bar and it autofills it in, which is nice. Going on, we have a search Twitter. We can search for people, so we search YouTube, which I did spell that wrong. So we're going to actually go back here and type in YouTube once again. And you can see YouTube pops up with their at replies of Twitter or YouTube, or search for YouTube. We could do search for Dell, and it pretty much does a search with Twitter, which is really nice. We have a user profile, so we're going to add a profile to our column here. We can, so we want to add YouTube to our column. We can type in YouTube. YouTube will pop up, and we can click this little pin to column button right here, and it will add it right here. And we can exit out of that. And we have the Twitter trends. So that's pretty much it on the interface inside or on the outside. So we're going to go ahead and jump inside the actual application where it gives you all the settings you can do. You can see there's that loading bar again. We have the software updates and minimize, so we can keep in taskbar or send a notification area, which send a notification comes down here at the bottom right corner. We're going to keep the taskbar. We can go in display. We can have a black to text to white background, or we can have a white text to black background, which I have on now. We have a theme. We can change the theme to different things we want: orange, green, lime, silver. So we say we want silver, it would change it, and it changes to silver, which I kind of like that. We have display options. We have the tweet options. We have tweet layout. If we scroll down here, we can do our Twitter username, or full name, or both if we wanted to. Then we have to save changes and cancel. We keep going. We have account. We can unclick to remember this Twitter, so we have to sign in every time we open up the application, if you will like that or not. We have alerts and sounds, which tells us notifications of what pops up and what tweets, how long we want the tweets to pop up or refresh, or where we want the tweets to be notified at. I have it down the bottom right corner. We can do the top right or the top left or the bottom left, and what you want tweeted to show up. Going on, we have the very last thing is services, which gives us a number of options here. We have the Twitter IP rate. We can do the latest updates. I have it checked that every minute a new update will come up, which we can change to 25 seconds or every hour, every minute and 50 seconds. I like to keep it at about 75 or to a minute to update, which is nice. We have the Twitter options, which I really doesn't know what that means. The HTTPS, the SL, I don't really know what that is. So if you do know, you can change that if you like. We have additional services. We can do upload. We can change that to have it TweetPic or YFrog. YFrog doesn't really work for me. I don't like it that much, but TweetPic I like. We have the short URLs. I have long URLs selected, or we can do shorten out links using, and we can customize our own and find our IPA. We have lookup maps and addresses. This is really nice. This doesn't have that kind of feature in TweetDeck. We can so an address, it will pop up. We can use Google Maps, or we can use Bing to look up the actual address. And we have a save and asks to use Twitter along when tweets are longer than 140 characters, which is actually nice. We can go ahead and save those changes. It will update, and pretty much that's it. So that is MetroTwit Beta for Windows. I really do hope there's a lot of updates coming soon with this application. It's a really nice, sleek application. It's one of those applications which, if you're a dual monitor, if you have a dual monitor, you can have this to the side of which monitor you don't use as much, and have it in a corner. It looks nice, it's clean, and it gives you a nice interface, and you can change the layout and stuff like that as you please. So I really do think this application is really nice. It's a big competitor with more if it has more updates with TweetDeck. Um, it it really does need to fix that login issue in the beginning. When you click it, it doesn't actually open up. I really do hope they fix that problem in the near future. And if they don't, I will have to actually switch back to TweetDeck. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So MetroTwit. I hope you guys liked my review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.